got you. Okay, ready? Oh my god, got you. Can you stick it out a little more?
Great. Yeah, look at that needle. That thing's huge. There goes the tear.
Can I go back? Like this forward, okay? Oh. So I couldn't go too back then, because you couldn't stick out your tongue, so I didn't go more forward. Cool.
Feel better? Feel fuller?
It's big because your tongue's gonna get super fat and swollen tomorrow. It's real swollen. Ice it as much as possible. A lot of Listerine. Everything you do with your mouth is not with Listerine. No kissing, no play with it. Just leave it alone, okay? In a month, you can switch it to a shorter bar.